Wearing today, it's from Lsybeauty Hair, and it did come packaged in this. I'll go ahead and insert a clip now of how it came packaged and everything. So this is how it came packaged, again in this beautiful drawstring bag with their info on the front. I really love this packaging, really nice and simple. This is everything that I got. So I got 4 bundles and a closure. This is their Brazilian deep wave, so that was a 20-inch. Here we go with a 22-inch. There we go with a 24-inch. There we go with a 26-inch, and the closure is also 20 inches. Let me see, 20 inches. So this is how it came packaged, and I got those lashes as a free gift, and also the what do you call it? Yeah, wig cap. This is not my first time working with Lsybeauty. What I can appreciate is this little bag. It's perfect for keeping my wig in, because I did go ahead and make a wig. So it looks like, and as you can see, it's a closure. I have done nothing to this closure, no colors, no nothing. All I did was just cut off the excess lace, and that was it. So I made this wig, and I am yet to try it on, but this is what it looks like straight out of the pack. Sweetie, you guys know I'm in love with curly hair, so I'm just going to slip this on. So this is all the hair pulled to the front on both sides, obviously. Let's just turn this into a side and off side part. So I have not plucked anything at all. How you're seeing the hair is exactly how it is. Just made the wig and do what I had to do, boo. I'll go ahead and just link the lengths and everything for it in the description bar. Also, any link that I need to make for Lsybeauty will be in the description. But guys, this is so soft. This is so soft. This is their deep wave. I'm favoring deep wave as opposed to kinky curly, because let me tell you why. I feel like with the kinky curly closures, they tend to the kinky curly closures tend to dry out, and they also tend to look the curl pattern is not the same. And this was years ago when you see deep curly hair. Now that I've discovered deep wave, I'm just like, oh my god, like I can do this. I can do this deep wave look. Let me just go ahead and make this a little bit more to the side. It's gorgeous, no? I love it. The length is not that long. It's perfect, and it is full. Lsybeauty. I don't know if I said this before, but I've worked with Lsybeauty before. I used their Peruvian straight, which I am completely in love with. I love this. I love this. I may cut this into a bang. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Lsybeauty, let's jump to the video. Okay. Alright, so as I said in this video, I'm going to be doing like pregnancy myths from across the world, but I have a little update for you guys if you're not following me on my vlog channel, which I keep on telling y'all to do. So the channel won't do that, so I don't know what the problem is. But okay, so with my pregnancy, oh I did something on my vlog channel, right? So in one vlog I said that I was having a boy, and in another vlog I said I was having a girl. No, the gender reveal will be done on this channel. I already have the video planned out in my head and everything. It's going to be like a makeup gender reveal, which means you're going to be watching the video in like black and white for like half of it or whatever, but we're going to be doing a full gender reveal on this channel. That's up in the part. The what I wanted to say to you guys is that, wait, I'm a little out of breath. I am either 34 weeks pregnant or 29, 30, oh shit, or 32 weeks pregnant. So I have 2 due dates. When my Dr. Bamber measured my Ian Bamber from when he measured my tummy, I was measuring at a 34, but the ultrasound says that I am 32. So by the ultrasound standards, I'm going to have this child on the 12th of July. And by the measurements, I'm going to have this child on the 30th of June. And it's just really annoying for me. I'd love for it to be June because the sooner the better. But it's just kind of frustrating for me. So I was like, okay, what videos? Because I haven't filmed a video in weeks, and the reason I haven't filmed in weeks is because I've been completely demotivated, and I had herpes. That's a whole different type of story, honey. But I had herpes, honey. But okay, so cold sore, y'all call it. I call it herpes. You guys call it cold sore. Same thing in my head. But yeah, and I was afraid to film with this thing just stuck on my lips. So now that it's gone, I feel a little bit more comfortable filming. But then I've been in a little bit of a funk as well, like not wanting to film. But so I found this thing. I was like, you know what? Excuse me. Every time I move. But I was like, you know, let me see if I can find pregnancy myths from around the world. So I have 14 fantastic pregnancy myths from around the world, and I thought this would be good because I know you guys, I have a lot of people that follow me from all over the world, so you guys confirm whether or not this is true and why it is so. So please, if you know anybody, if you're familiar with that culture, just let me know if it's true and why. So it says Mexico, pregnant women should not Alright, so it says Mexico, pregnant women should not be exposed to moonlight and should wear a metal key around their neck. So pregnant women should not be exposed to moonlight and should wear a key around their neck. Why? Meanwhile, in India, during eclipses, women shouldn't touch anything metal at all, not even door handles. What in the hell? So in Mexico, I should wear the metal key, but then in India, they're like, oh, don't touch it. Don't do that, honey. Don't do that. So in China, cold stuff is a no-no. So nothing cold, like water, juice boxes, nothing. Oh my god. In Vietnamese/Chinese, no lamb and no tiny bananas, and prepare to stay put for a long time. Wow. So me can't yam lamb, which I don't typically eat lamb unless I'm going out, and no tiny, like no little body banana. You know the body banana them? If you're Jamaican, you know little body banana. The little body banana them, you know Jamaican little body banana them. So me can't know little body. Mexico, give in to everything you crave or pay the price. But Mexico was the first one, yes? Mexico was the first one, so why is Mexico on here twice? Mexico is scary. Meanwhile, with an Arab if you have an Arab background, apparently, do not give in to cravings or the baby will get a birthmark shaped like it. Also, no looking at rabbits. Okay, so the craving thing shaped like it, I get that because we have something similar to that in Jamaica. But the thing is, if you crave it and you can't get it and you scratch, that's when the birthmark comes up. Yo, I've had people swear by this birthmark thing. So I believe it. I do for hair in Jamaica. But if you have an Arab background, we can't look pan rabbit. Meanwhile, in Egypt, give in to all cravings, or else the baby will have a handicap. P.S. Coca-Cola will give the baby weak bones. Jesus Christ. So if in Egypt, if you give in to all the cravings, the baby come out handicap? Mexico again. Mexican American, no funerals. Same thing with Jamaica. They say you can't go funeral because the people go follow the baby. Korea, hang chilies, CHILIS, to ward off evil spirits. No cold water and no baby breath stealing cats. What? No baby breath stealing cats and no baby breath stealing cats. No cold water, no baby breath stealing cats. I don't know what that means. So number 10 is Native American, no haircuts. What? Girl, no, 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 no. But what if you having like your hair's growing out too long? Okay, whatever. Kazakhstan. Also no haircuts along with no fish. So you shouldn't eat fish, and you should not have haircuts apparently. And in Taiwan, no touching pregnant women on the shoulder. It's like, oh damn it, you know I'm pregnant. Oh, you a hoe. You was a whole hoe. Why can't I touch on your shoulder? I wish this thing had explanations. I wish these things had, it's just like lists, but there are like no explanations whatsoever. None. Philippines, do not raise the roof ever. The baby will get tangled. As in, ooh, 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 ooh. Like that. Like, don't, put your hands in. No, I don't know what you're saying. And number 14, in Hawaii, USA, pregnant women shouldn't wear loops around their necks. What in the heck, Sagan? Okay, so Mexico completely dominated this list. I have 3 or 4 things on here, and I need to know if this is true. The moon thing really caught my attention. I'm like, no way. The moon. So I need to know like what's the deal with the moon and stuff, y'all. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know. I hope you guys will. I feel like I want to give a pregnancy update, but then I'm kind of holding back because I have so much to update my vlog channel on. But yeah, this is it. Or you want me to do some from Jamaica? You know what? I'm gonna say the Jamaica one for another video because I've been here a while and my tummy is my tummy is so low. I'm probably like a month and a half because today is the 19th of 20. Yeah, today is May 20th. So my tummy is hella low. I'm somewhat in pain. But anyway, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. LSY Beauty, thank you for sponsoring today's video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. The deep wave. Boo, don't sleep. Do not sleep on this deep wave. Don't sleep. So soft. Don't sleep. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later.